Buen viaje.
I'm leaving Leymebamba and heading towards a small town called Nuevo Tingo. And this is the beautiful road we're riding today. Wow, so cool. And yeah, we're heading somewhere down there, I think. This is Cherry, my KTM 390 Adventure, and me, Aliona. And in this season, we're traveling around Peru, Ecuador, and Colombia. We love gorgeous views, beautiful roads, and we don't mind a little bit of challenge. Let's go exploring! Good morning! Cherry and I are ready to go. And we're saying goodbye to Juan today. He's going in the completely opposite direction. Let's ride! I'm going to follow Juan until the gas station because I'm a little bit running out of gasoline and I will need it. This is the gas station.
Buen viaje.
Gracias, igualmente.
Con cuidado.
Bueno, vámonos. Uy. Goodbye, Juan. I wish you the bestest, awesomest, and safest ride all the way to Ushuaia and back to Colombia. I guess next time I'm gonna see you in Bogota in a few months. It's been an awesome adventure to ride together for a few days, and it even kind of feels weird to be riding alone now. Oh well, that's life. Oh, by the way, see these figures on the left? This is the Museum of Leymebamba. A really cool museum. We went there yesterday and really enjoyed it. So yeah, can recommend. And today I'm leaving Leymebamba and heading towards a small town called Nuevo Tingo, which is actually just about an hour away from here by the main road. But I won't be taking the main road, of course. I think that's the start of my trail. Let's go check it out. So, I was talking to Red and Steve. You remember my motorcycle friends? The ones we met in Leymebamba in the last episode. So, Red and Steve recommended me a really cool off-road towards Nuevo Tingo. Obviously, it's longer than the main road, but who cares? I've got plenty of time to explore. Well, my main goal for Nuevo Tingo is to visit the ruins of Kuelap. And I think you can only enter them in the morning, so I won't be able to do it today anyway. And yeah, that's gonna be my plan for tomorrow. So yeah, today let's just enjoy the ride, which is actually very enjoyable and a tiny little bit challenging with all those loose rocks. My favorite, you know. And I'm also kind of wondering whether I will have to face that storm on the left. I really hope not. I'm riding here, enjoying the beautiful views, and thinking like, you know what, this road is actually quite a bit more adventurous than what I expected. And then I double checked the map and it's a dead end. I'm going into nowhere, so yeah, no wonder it's adventurous. It's like, okay, this beat is quite alright, but like big ruts and lots of loose rocks and it's quite steep, and I'm like, amazing, Elena, you just spent, I don't know, at least half an hour ago in the wrong direction. Well, let's go back to the main road and find the real start of the trail. Yeah, and I'm still kind of concerned about that storm in front of us. Here is the main road, and I'm kind of thinking, should I maybe just stick to it? It's kind of pretty. Or should I try to find the start of the trail? And here is the start. Well, let's hope I have found the correct trail this time. I think I kind of forgot to mention what Kuelap is and why I actually want to visit it. So, Kuelap is the largest and the most important ancient monument in the northern Peru. It was built over 1,000 years ago as the political center and the capital city of the Chachapoya civilization. It's supposed to be one of the most impressive stone ruins of the Americas. And yeah, obviously, I've got to see it. It's interesting, like in the very beginning, when I just arrived to Peru, and all the small towns I was passing by, I thought they were kind of, I don't know, uninteresting. They lacked style and color compared to the Colombian small towns, at least. But now, I've really started to like them. Like, look at this town. It really doesn't lack any color. It looks like there are some kind of celebrations here today. What day is it? Saturday? So yeah, gotta be some kind of holiday. Anyway, the question is, how do I cross this little town to continue my trail? Well, let's see. Or let's ask this guy.
Ya no puedo pasar. Yo voy para San Pedro.
Pedro queda para arriba.
Sí, por eso que iba a pasar por acá.
Mira, a ver, que acá todo este tema está ocupado.
Pero ahora hay espacio. ¿Me deja pasar?
Van a empezar a molestar.
No, ahora paso y ya.
Vamos.
Gracias.
And this is one of the reasons I love traveling around South America. This would seriously never happen in Europe. So the road is blocked because of some celebrations, but the policeman will guide me out of the town. Look at this. Isn't this awesome? Yep, I can go. Whee! Oh my god, this is so steep. Oh my god. Actually be able to avoid the rain on this road. It looks like it travels down the canyon, and I'm going up the mountain. See? All the rain is down there. And another small town. Isn't this super cute? Even this chicken. Oh, you stupid little chicken. I don't know. I don't know if it's the Peruvian small towns that are kind of starting to grow on me, or is it the Chachapoyas style towns? Look at this cute main square. There is only one little problem. It has started to rain. Oh, stupid chicken, let me pass, please. Okay, out of the town. Let's see what's ahead of us. Corn, hills, rain in the background, and some kind of small towns here and there. Oh my god, so beautiful. Look at this super green canyon. Amazing. Although it's still kind of raining a little bit. 3 minutes later, it's sunny again. That was it? Really? All the rain? Oh my god. Look at this. So cool. Maybe I can even fly the drone now? Hello there. And this is the beautiful road we're riding today. Thank you, Red. Thank you, Steve. Amazing recommendation. There is a little water crossing coming. Let's see what this water crossing is gonna be like. Oh, that was actually not too bad. And now I have to land the drone because it started raining again. Well, I'm happy we could fly a little bit. Right, little drone? Are we not happy? Or maybe it stopped raining again? I can't figure it out. Okay, let's finish the uphill and then I'm gonna pack the drone. It doesn't seem to be raining too bad. Not just yet. So maybe somewhere here is a nice place. Woo. Still some small drops of rain, but nothing too bad. And the road is just crazy beautiful. So cool. Another tiny and super good town. Look at this beautiful square. Wow. So sweet. Wow. So cool. Look at this view. And it's still sunny over us. We must be traveling with good luck today. Yeah, zero regrets about wasting some time on doing this longer off-road route instead of the direct main road. Amazingly beautiful. And we're back on the main road for about 15 kilometers. And then I have another little off-road part. Oh yeah! It is not bad at all. There's this beautiful river on the side. So, very soon starts our next trail. Somewhere right here. Yep, that's the one. Suta. Let's go! Although my enthusiasm is starting to fade out, I'm kind of getting a little bit hungry. No, I don't want to do any extra unnecessary exploration. All the necessary ones, you know. Oh yeah, we're almost halfway through that hill.
going from 2,000 to nearly 3,000 meters elevation. And it just down in there. So sweet. Right in on top of the world. And the sunshine. And looking down at that beautiful valley. Maybe I should actually take a photo now that I can. Wow. So cool. And yeah, we're heading somewhere down there, I think. Because it's only what, 40 kilometers left. Alright, quick photo. And let's go. Poop. Poop. I don't know why I say poop. It has nothing to do with poop. Oh, my sounds are difficult to explain. Poop. So beautiful. Whee! And a little bit of water. And so beautiful. And so sunny. And so happy. It got a little bit cloudy. But it's not foggy and it's not raining. Two very important things. Oh yeah. That's the beauty. So cool. And now there is a tiny little downhill and then there is a tiny little uphill. Maybe I can have a little break here. Cherry's having a little break under the pine trees. I'm also having a little break and really enjoying this absolutely gorgeous view. And while I was enjoying the view, the rain has arrived. I'll let the worst of the rain pass, put on the waterproofs, and I'm ready to continue. I hope it's not going to be too wet with all those rocks. Alright, a pretty steep downhill, which will be followed by a pretty steep uphill, and then another pretty steep downhill. And the rain has stopped and it has almost cleared up, I would say. Look at that blue sky. Cows. Hello, cows. Oh, one more. Hello, cow. It's okay. I'm just passing by. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Super view it is. So cool. Even though it's a little bit steep and a little bit rocky, but the sun is out and we only have a few kilometers until we can get some food. See that little pretty town right there? That's where we're going. Just 10 kilometers left. Whee! And pure sunshine. How to do 1 hour road in 5 hours? Alona style. But no regret. So beautiful. And a little bit adventurous with lots of loose rocks. So this is the local town, and we just need to find some place to stay. My lunch/dinner.